KOOLUX X10, Assemble Instructions. Take the bike out from the package. Remove all the protective materials. Please set all accessories aside for later use. Open the seat tube clamp and remove the protective cap. Insert the seat post. Install the handle stem and tighten the screws. Insert the thinner handle stem and unfold. Remove the front fork protective bar. Aim the screws and install the front wheel. Aim the hook and tighten the screws. Unscrew the front fender. Install the front light. Unscrew the front fork screws. Screw in the front fender stick. Left paddle is labeled L. Tighten counterclockwise using spanner. Paddle is foldable. Right paddle is labeled R. Insert the battery. Turn the e-bike battery to on to power the bike. Unlock the handlebar tube and bike frame to fold the bike. The original password is 5 zeros. Rotate to the right. Set password. After successful setup, twist back to the original position.